So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel MD Learnings. So today I'm going to show you how to use Google Docs and how it is different from the offline platform, that is MS Word. So first I will show you how to open it. So if you have logged in using your Gmail, so you can go to Google Apps in the right side. In this here down below you can see Google Docs. So using this you can open it, otherwise you can search in the Google search bar also. So I will open it using the Google Apps. Just open it, click on Google Docs, and here you can see so many predefined templates are there. And if you want to create your own template and own sheet, you can open a blank one. So I will show you how. Here you can see like so many different templates are there. You can make your resume, CVs, you can write a business letter, informal letter, and regarding work related also different templates like a project proposal, meeting notes, MOM you can prepare and you can share with your colleagues. Like so many things are there, so many different templates are there. So I will show you one. So I will choose this first, meeting notes. Okay, so here you can see it is a predefined template, and this screen, there is a screen of Google Docs, and it is pretty bit similar to MS Word. Okay, it is very much similar to MS Word, and here you can see the options and different bars are there, which is very similar to MS Word. The main difference is what difference is like, this is an online platform by Google, okay, which you can share with your colleagues, and you will be able to work together on a single platform. No need to download it, no need to prepare and download and again share them on mail. Just you can create a Google Docs and you can share with them, and as per your given authorization, here you can see you can give them the authorization to edit or any suggestion they can give, or only for viewing option, viewing authorization you can give to them. So online platform, this is by Google and very much similar to MS Word. So here you can see the so many different options are there, like file. In this you can open a new document. So first I will give this meeting, you can give the own name whatever you want to this file, and here you can see the option of file. Like in this file you can open your existing workbook or existing file of MS Word what you have created in your desktop offline. If you want to make a copy from this, you can make a copy of the same, and if you want to share with others, okay, so these options are there. And if you want to email this file, so if offline you are going to create a MS Word file, you have to create it, you have to save it, and you have to uh, send on the mail using an attachment. You have to attach it in the mail and then you have to share. So sometimes it is a size is very big, like more than 30 MB you can't send on mail. So using this you can share easily, no tension of any file size, anything. So you can download it and you can save it offline also in different format like PDF also, if in the like open document format, rich text format, and MS Word format also you can download it. The second option is like edit, same as you have seen in MS Word, copy, cut, paste, and the shortcut key what you're using for Control C, copy, paste, and cut what you're using, that you can use here also. If I will use Control Z, see, if I will use Control C, and if you want to copy, same, all the shortcuts, these basic shortcut you can use here also. In the view option you can see like whatever rights you have given to the person with whom you have shared, like editing option, viewing option, suggesting option. So these things you can do in this view column. Insert options, so here so many different insert options are there, like image you can insert, table you can insert. So you can insert the image from the web also, okay, from your Google Drive, Google Photos, and if any web image URL is there, that also you can insert it in this Google Docs. You can upload it any photo from your computer also, from your PC also. So you can insert a chart, bar, column, line, or pie chart, or if you have any a chart in your Google Sheet, so that also you can insert in this. Other options like emoji and calendar event. So files, if any files you want to upload in this, and you want to give the link of that file in this Google Doc, so using this you can easily you can share. So if you want, you can see here like date options are there. Drop down, if I will select drop down, if I want to create any like drop down, new drop down, and some options I want to give in this drop down option, so easily you can do it, and it will like look very much interesting. So you can see different formats are also there, like same what we have seen in MS Word, like bold, italic, different font size and alignment, paragraph style, bullet numberings. So these things are there in this like tools. You can see so many different tools are there, like spelling and grammar check. Like if you will activate this, if any grammatical mistake or spelling mistake, so it will give you suggestion automatically. Word count, so it is pretty much similar, but pretty much interesting also from Google MS Word, sorry, MS Word. And so many things you can't do in MS Word, but in this you can do. So image, I will show you how to insert. Like you can insert any URL also in this. Like I will show you how. So here you can see the link, insert link option is there. So in this you can give the name of the link. I will give one Google, and just paste the link, or you can type also. Okay, so I will just type it. So here you can see whoever is going to click on this, they will get the option to copy the link, or they can visit the website directly. So this is very interesting. Like if you're creating a file in MS Word, and if you're creating in Google Docs, it will be very different. Difference is there. Like you can make it more interesting and presentable if you're making in Google Docs. So apart from this, you can add some comment also. If anyone is wants to add comment anywhere, they can add comment. And alignment, already I showed you. Alignment options are there, and already I showed you the right. One more thing, like this has one option of last edit was second ago. Okay, if you're going to click on this, you can see when the last edit happened. Okay, who has edited, like my name is there, and who has edited and when it happened. And here you have the option of like what edit happened, you can make a copy of that. Okay, you can undo or redo also. If in MS Word, if you're deleting anything by mistake, if after deleting, if you have saved, you can't recover it. So in this you have the good option of like you can recover. If by mistake also anyone has deleted, you will get to know who has deleted, and you can recover it using this option of make a copy or uh, recover option. So this is very interesting and very helpful. So I hope you learned something, and this is pretty much similar to MS Word, but very interesting and very presentable and very helpful also. Like without creating a file and sending on mail, attaching on mail and sending it, it is a very lengthy and very different process. And in this you can share to your colleagues, your friends, and your teammates, and you can work together. It will be a live document, and whoever is going to edit or going to add something, it will be a live presentation. So I hope you learn, and see you soon in my next video. And please do like and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Bye bye.